Hello everyone, it's Miles, and you may be wondering, Miles, why do you have that interesting little gadget on your arm? Well, you're going to have to stay tuned to find out. This is the Maker Room, and I'm Miles. This, my friends, is the electronic Lifeguard armband, and its purpose is to signal for help if you are struggling to stay afloat. The device is made up of one SparkFun accelerometer, lots of jumper wires, and an Adafruit Huzzah ESP8266 microcontroller. You will also need one LED for signaling. During normal water activity, such as swimming, or playing sports, such as football or frisbee, the device acts normal. But if I were struggling to stay afloat, like this, oh no! Someone, please help me. I am struggling to stay afloat. The accelerometer on the device registers that I am struggling and lights up the LED and sends a text to my phone. Now, usually this text would be sent to a lifeguard on the shore or a family member who can get you the help you need to stop from drowning if you're struggling to stay afloat. The device can be reset with the simple push of a button and is ready to detect struggle once again. A simple SMS alert is all it takes to set in motion the help that someone struggling to stay afloat needs. The LED indicator allows you to stop wasting your energy and know that help is on the way. Although it is not yet operational, eventually the armband could incorporate the AFE 4404 Texas Instruments sensor to sense for blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and other bodily functions. This would better help detect issues in the water. Okay, I have my TI Inspire AFE 4404 sensor hooked up, and I have the GUI set up on my computer. I will now press capture, and as you can see, the LED 3 is picking up my heartbeat. Maybe faint, but it's still, those waves line up with my heartbeat. As you can see, it's reading it directly off of my pointer finger. The reason this has not yet worked out is the lack of documentation on the I2C capabilities of the AFE 4404 by Texas Instruments. Once I2C is figured out, this device will be much more reliable in detecting whether someone is at risk or not. No false alarms will be sent. Further development of this idea would include waterproofing for the device, better communication between the AFE 4404 and the armband. A consumer-level product would include custom PCBs to reduce bulk, as well as lithium-ion batteries, rather than USB chargers. This would make the device much slimmer and would be more practical. The Wi-Fi communication that the device is currently using would be swapped out with cellular so that it would be able to work in beaches or areas where Wi-Fi is not present. There would be a better mounting system rather than a single strap. A flexible armband would be a much better choice. And the pricey components, including accelerometer and microcontroller, would be swapped out with cheaper components.